Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can browse any website on PS5. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, simply select settings at the top, then go to accessibility and make sure to turn on zoom. Once you enable zoom, get back from this and select users and accounts now. Here you need to basically look for link services and select the option YouTube, select link, and here select the option use browser. Now since we have enabled zoom, we can press PlayStation and square button at the same time to basically make this fit to screen, and just press X. Okay, and just you need to click on the option terms. Now click on this option, go to search. Okay, and now we got the search bar. You can just search for any website you like. I'm gonna type Amazon. Okay, here we got it in the suggestions, and simply we can just search for Amazon here, and you can simply scroll and just choose the site which you wanna basically browse or access. I'm gonna choose amazon.in, and just like that you can browse any website on PS5. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.